This is a list of the best enthusiast cars from $10,000 to $70,000. We're gonna do a speed run through this, but we're gonna start at $10,000. When you get into cars, but you only have $10,000, don't get into a super raggedy old like BMW or Corvette. Get a Honda Civic. Learn to appreciate a nimble and sporty car, and plus, if you could get a manual, try to get into something you can afford. The $20,000 range, we're looking at the Lexus IS350. We're not looking at the 250, the 200, none of that. The 350 specifically. That's gonna be the 3.5 liter naturally aspirated V6. This car has a lot of good value. It's pretty luxurious. Tech is outdated, but it is what it is. It's pretty quick and peppy though. In the $30,000 range, we're looking at a BMW 440i. Specifically, we'll look at 2018 to 2020 models. This is a sweet spot of really reliable and super fun 440i's. It's also pretty modern tech. You do 0 to 60 in like 4.9 seconds, so not bad. Now we're gonna get into the fun range. Now we're looking at $50,000. On this one, I actually have two cars. First is gonna be the Lexus RCF. This is a 5 liter naturally aspirated V8. This is such a unique and rare setup that a lot of people still sleep on. The RCF doesn't budge in value either though, so if you want to keep it for a while and then you want to sell it, you can do that. The other car I would add to that is the Audi RS5. The technology on this car is amazing and it pushes over 400 horsepower. I feel like in this price range, a lot of people overlook the RS5. It's definitely a good buy. In the $60,000 range, a lot of people overlook this. This is the Cadillac CT5V Blackwing. This is a 6.2 V8 that produces 668 horsepower. Did you need me to repeat that? This car does 0 to 60 in 3.3 to 3.4 seconds. And on top of that, it's super luxurious. Last but not least, at $70,000, this is a pretty easy choice between a Corvette Stingray and a G80 M3. The choice really comes down to what you want in a car. Do you want a true sports car or do you want a sedan that kind of does it all? The Corvette is a little bit quicker, but everyday usability versus a sports car just depends on what you want. I didn't say this in the beginning, but let me be clear. These are all used market prices. So for example, these we're looking at like 3 to 5 year old ones. Let me know what you want to see next.